Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun Grinch Christmas wreath. This is an option. You can either use the Grinch sign or you can leave it without, but I think it looks really cute with the Grinch sign on it. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. For this DIY, you're going to need one 18-inch grapevine wreath, and I picked mine up at Walmart. You're going to need a Grinch sign, and I believe this one came from Home Depot. You're going to need some Christmas floral picks. Most of my Christmas picks came from Dollar Tree. You're going to need 2 of the snow greenery, 2 of the holly berries, 2 of the wintry willow, all from Dollar Tree, and then these pampas grass picks I ordered online from Craft Outlet. And you're going to need some ribbon with wire for a bow. And I picked up my ribbon a couple years ago at Sam's Club. We did trim the pampas grass picks shorter, but the Dollar Tree picks we left the same length. You're going to take your pampas grass picks, place one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the stem. Take your second color of pampas grass picks, one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the stem. Hold it in the center. Now the willow picks, one on the left, one on the right, overlapping the stems. Hold it tight in the center. Next, one on the left, one on the right. Just keep it pinched nice and tight in the center, and you're going to need a zip tie to wrap around the center of your swag. So just one on the left, one on the right, overlap the stems, hold it tight in the center, then take a zip tie and zip tie your swag together, and then we're going to want to fluff and shape our swag next. Next, I'm going to be tying a bow to put in the center of my swag, and this is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, and then the one I'm going to be using on top is only 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire. You can either dovetail the ends or just cut them at a slant. It's whichever way that you prefer. And then don't forget to fluff and shape your loops. I like to stick my hand in each loop to open it up. And you'll want to use wired ribbon because the loops will stand up. It just holds its shape better and it's just easier to work with. So here's my bow, and I'm going to take a piece of 20 gauge floral wire, thread it underneath that zip tie. That way I can easily attach it to my swag, then easily attach it to my grapevine wreath. Now here's my bow. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a bow tutorial playlist. Next, we're going to take our bow and place it right there in the center, just on top of that zip tie. So I've already added my wire, so I'm going to take this wire that's on my bow, go to the left and right side of the swag, flip the swag to the back, give those wires a few twists. Now I'm going to leave them long because I'm going to the left side of my grapevine wreath, and I'm going to thread those wires through the grapevine wreath. Then I'm going to go the back of the grapevine wreath, twist those wires, and then cut them off short and fold them down. Now you can go and wire your swag at the top and the bottom after you get it shaped to your wreath. That way it doesn't move, or use little 4-inch zip ties to secure your swag to the grapevine wreath. It's up to you. Make sure you bend and shape your floral picks. Just be patient and just slightly bend them so that your swag has some movement to it. You'll have to let me know if you like this wreath better without the Grinch sign, or if you like it with the Grinch sign. I really think the Grinch sign is super cute, but if you want a more elegant Christmas wreath, then I think that's the best choice for you. I took this wreath and I went outside and I hung it on my front door because I thought it was really pretty. Just like this, my husband had to take the Grinch sign to the shop and cut off the wood yardstake part of it so that I could attach it to the wreath. So I just ran outside real quick and took a short video. So like I said, let me know, do you like it this way or with the Grinch sign? To attach my Grinch sign, I'm just taking some cable tie mounts that I ordered online from Amazon. They come in different sizes, so make sure you read the reviews before you order. They stick to the sign, but I would recommend adding some hot glue around them just to make sure that the cable tie mounts stay on good. So I'm using Gorilla Glue hot glue, and I have mine on the low temp setting. Just be careful when you use your hot glue, then let them have time to sit and dry. Now I'm taking some 20 gauge floral wire, just threading them through the cable tie mounts, giving the wire a twist. So I've got one at the top and one at the bottom. Then I'm going to go to the right side of my grapevine wreath, and I'm just going to take those wires, thread them through the grapevine wreath, then go to the back, give the wires a few twists. And then my sign is attached to my wreath. And that's it. Just make sure you go back, make sure your tails on your bow are hanging like you want, your loops are fluffed, and that your swag is shaped like you want. This is so simple to make, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.